Hello, welcome to my learning system. Hi, I'm your virtual assistant, and today I'm gonna explain what is fraction. To identify your count, please put your finger on screen. Access accepted. Welcome to my learning system. This is the dashboard of explanation of fraction. Choose one of your explanation.
When an object is divided into a number of equal parts, then each part is called a fraction. Every fraction has numerator and denominator. Denominator says how many equal parts in the whole object, while numerator says how many parts in the fraction or the shaded part in the whole object. In this object, the numerator is 1 since there is only one object in shaded part. And denominator is 12 since there are 12 parts from the object. The way we call this fraction is 1 over 12 since there is one object shaded from 12 parts. The other way to say this fraction is 1 per 12 or the fraction of 1 and 12.
Welcome to my learning system. This is the dashboard of explanation of fraction. Choose one of your explanation.
Basically, there are two types of fraction. The first one is real fraction, or the fraction only have numerator and denominator. The second one is the mixed fraction, which is the fraction that have real number and fraction. This type of fraction can be changed one to another. We can change real fraction to become mixed fraction by divide them. And also we can change a mixed fraction to become a real fraction. We can change the fraction into the mixed fraction only if the numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, 9 over 4. We divide 9 by 4. The closest answer is 2. But we have the remainder, which is 1. So now, we form this answer into this kind of form. So we have 2, 1 over 4. 2 is the result of division and 1 is the remainder of division. We can also do the reverse thing about this. So if you want to change the mixed fraction into the real fraction, we can do this kind of thing. So we multiply the real number or the integers with the denominator, and then the result we add to the numerator. So in this case, the answer is 2 times 4 is 8, and then plus 1, the answer must be 9 over 4.
Welcome to my learning system. This is the dashboard of explanation of fraction. Choose one of your explanation.
We do simplification by divide numerator and denominator with the common numbers. So, for example, we have 6 over 8. If we want to simplify this fraction, we need to divide them by a common number. A common factor. So we have 6 and 8 divided by the factor of 6 and 8 is 2 and 2. So we divide 6 by 2 and 8 by 2. The answer must be 3/4. If the fraction doesn't have HCF or highest common factor, then we just leave the fraction. That means this fraction is the most simplest form.
Welcome to my learning system. This is the dashboard of explanation of fraction. Choose one of your explanation.
In operation of fraction, we know 4 operation, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For addition, this one that we have to do, we check the denominator of these two fractions. Then we find the LCM of this fraction. After that, we divide the LCM with the denominator, then multiply with the numerator. So now we have this kind of form. For example, look at the following example. We have 3/4 plus 1/5. First one, we need to find the LCM of the denominator, which is 4 and 5. And the LCM is 20. Now put 20 over here. And then divide 20 by 4. Will be 5. Then 5 multiply with the 3. The answer is 15. Now we divide the LCM, which is 20, with 5 and then multiply by 1. The answer is 4. So now we have 15 plus 4 over 20. The answer must be 19 over 20. Or you can simply do this thing. Just multiply the 5 with 3 and plus multiplication of 4 and 1. Then we multiply the denominator, which is 4 and 5 become 20. So now we have 15 plus 4 over 20 is 19 over 20.
Welcome to my learning system. This is the dashboard of explanation of fraction. Choose one of your explanation.
For subtraction, we do the same thing as the addition. Look at the following example. Let's say we have that question before, 3/4 minus 1/5. So we find the LCM, which is 20, then divide by 4, 5, and then times 3 will be 15. Now, the difference is we subtract this one. Then we have 20 divided by 5 is 4, times 1 is 4. Now we have 15 minus 4 divided by 20. So our answer is 11 over 20. We also do the same thing with the previous lesson to find the addition. For subtraction, we just need to multiply 5 times 3 minus 4 times 1, then divide by 20. The answer is the same with the previous ways, which is 11 per or 11 over 20.
Welcome to my learning system. This is the dashboard of explanation of fraction. Choose one of your explanation.
For multiplication of fraction, we just need to multiply the numerator with the numerator and the numerator with the denominator. For example, 3 over 4 times 1 over 5. The answer must be 3 over 20, since 3 times 1 is 3 and 4 times 5 is 20. For division of fraction, we have to do something unique. We have to reverse the position of the other fraction, then multiply it. For example, we have 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 5. To do division for this fraction, we need to reverse the other fraction, or the fraction that is on the right. So we have 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 5 will be 3 over 4 multiplied by 5 over 1. As you can see, we reverse the position of 5 and 1. And also we change the division sign into the multiplication sign. So now we have 3 over 4 times 5 over 1. Now we just do the basic multiplication that we have learned before. So we have 3 times 5 over 4 times 1. Now we have 15 over 4. This is the final answer. And also we can change the answer into the mixed fraction, which is 15 divided by 4 is 3, and the remainder is 3. So now we have 3 over 4.
Thank you for using Math Virtual Assistant. I'm going to leave Math Learning System. Bye bye.